Hey guys, and welcome back to my crafting diary. Today this video is just going to be something really quick, simple. I'm going to be putting some photos on a t-shirt. I got this paper here from Michael's. It's for dark fabric, but I have white t-shirts. The thing about this is this dark fabric paper, you don't have to mirror the image. It's really easy. You just take the backing off and then just press it on the shirt versus light Arnon fabric transfer paper. You have to mirror the image, lay the image like face down, and then rip the backing off of it. I don't like doing all that. This way is much easier for me. So I got my shirts. I have my glitter HTV iron on. So the first thing you want to do is print out your image and then take the backing off. Alright, so I got my t-shirt. I don't know where my lint roller is right now. Yeah, I just had it. Okay, whatever. I don't know where my lint roller is, but usually you want to lint roll the shirt, get all the little dusties off. Preheat it a little bit. And then start adding your stuff.